What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got something so cool and so special, man. We're here at Mclaren Chicago. We got a bunch of inventory. We got 600 LT, Aturas, Bentleys, Range Rovers, another Atura, a McLaren GT, two GTs. Today we got this brand new, first one in the Midwest, Mclaren 750. Sick, bro. You see it? Oh, you see it? We got a brand new, fresh interior. Basically, that center console came out from the Atura. This thing looks really cool. Carbon package. Got these canards. I guess that's the name of these. It has like the 765 LT wing. I got the Xener exhaust this time. Got this new grill mesh that's brand new. Same diffuser, just different rear bumper.
K40 scan active.
Check this out. Got that Atura digital dash. Super clean, brand new. Obviously, if you guys never had a McLaren vehicle before, the turbocharger is different now. New style, new color. This guy got the ultimate license plate frame. Some extra accessories. You got installed the K40. Super clean. 750. Only 64,000 miles on this new car. This is different too. Don't mind the Grinch. My goddaughter was messing with me in Christmas. It now has Apple CarPlay. That's what I heard. Oh, and the difference between this one also has a USB charger and a C port now. So I'll show you guys a different 720 from 2019, 2020. These are my favorite paddle shifters on these McLarens. The silver, steel, or whatever it is. So nice, man. Oh, the bonnet button's here now. Wow. Okay, so this is a 720. So to open the bonnet was here. I guess on the 750 is to raise up the car here. To open the bonnet here. That's a change. So you can see the rear is different compared to the 750 and the wing. Very nice. And for you detailers, I know on the 720s, when you're cleaning these cars, there's a lot of water over here. Like, it holds more water than the ranging waves. Now it's full flush, so that's a good for the detailers like me. So this is the 720. Let's go back to the 750. All right, guys, let's hear it. Very nice. Gonna get it ready for like pictures, but you see how I'm talking about the bonnets, to open the bonnets here now, and to lift up the McLaren is on this side. The arrow's still there. I don't know what the kiwi is for. So this guy got the McLaren bag, the tires, accessories, the bougie McLaren bag. This Spec cost them around $450,000. The color is Ventura Orange, 2024 750 Spider. Very nice, guys. Very nice. This guy got the whole package. Beautiful. We got Peter making the 720s look good. All right, bro. What do you take? This 720 or the 750?
750.
What?
Bro, the 750 drives so smooth.
It drives better than the 720?
By far.
All right, guys, you heard it. Get yourself a 750. I mean, what I don't like about the 750s, they don't do the carbon package anymore.
Are they not?
I mean, the other one is just like
Yeah, it's just like silver.
silver.
Oh, they probably got an option. I don't know, that dude spec'd it out nice though, and still didn't go full carbon.
True. He did. I like the wing though.
On the 750?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a 765 wing, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
It's nice though.
So the only difference is this, the wing, the rear bumper, the front bumper, the whole mesh. You see, this is like honeycomb. Very nice. The intro's different. And I feel like the Kiwi, I still don't know what the Kiwi is for. This is your new digital dash. Let it load. Alright, let's see what the Kiwi's for. I guess the car has to be on. Let's turn it on. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, it puts it on sport mode. Comfort mode. Sport mode, and it lifts it up. That's cool. I like how they have the little guy with the helmet. That was like my favorite thing with the McLarens. Yeah, this all new. It's all brand new, refurbished. Everything's still the same. So you don't longer have this intro anymore or that intro anymore, and you don't have the option to do this anymore. Okay, now that I think about it, I think they should have kept this instead.
That's what I'm saying.
But you know, that's like a flex. But you don't have that option anymore. So imagine there's a dude that just like swaps it and shit.